Hello everyone. So in this video we will see the working of Preservica. We will first create an account in starter edition of Preservica. We will upload files and we will see the various functions of Preservica and how to go about it. So after creating an account in Preservica starter, this is the home page of Preservica. Now we will add a folder. We create a folder. I'll name it archive. We can add some description. We can change the security tag and create folder. Now a folder is created and now we will try to upload different file formats in this particular folder. We can do this by going on to the add tab and upload a single file or zip from our local drive. So for example, I'll upload a docx file. We can see it is uploading. And we can see it is also preserving the uploaded file. Now the ingest has completed successfully. Now we can add some more type of files. For example, a PPT, a TIFF image. I will go with the TIFF image first. We can see that it is preserving the image after it has been uploaded. Another way to upload files is to by simply dragging and dropping the files onto our homepage. Like for example, this PDF can be dragged and dropped onto the homepage of Preservica. It will be uploaded and then it will be preserved. We can see the queue for preserving. All the files that have been uploaded are then preserved. This is the queue. Now we'll add a video file. The same way, by dragging and dropping the file. This is the browser upload. We can see the progress over here. And after this is successful, we see that it can also preserve the same file. We can see these different files that we've uploaded on our homepage. So other add options include uploading a complete folder onto it, a single file or zip as we have seen, and the drag and drop option that we have already seen. Now as you can see, I've uploaded different type of file formats. Preservica supports various type of file format like PPT or PNGs, videos, PDFs and docx. We can open these files. We can see the metadata for this. We can edit this metadata. We can see the preservation history of all the files. We can download the asset. There is history of asset, view public and view document. So we'll view the document. So this is a PPT and we can see the PPT, all the slides of this PPT as they were. Similarly, we can open the PNG document, image file. We can play the video that we have uploaded. There's a sample video that I've uploaded for this tutorial. Supports XLS file format also. Preservica also supports WARC file format, which is used for long-term preservation of digital data, web archive. It's a file format. This is the interface that we are using after logging in. This interface can also be public, which is called portal in Preservica. We can view this portal. This is publicly accessible, open to all. So this is the folder that we have created. And as you can see, we can search different type of search. This is our folder. We can view the folder, browse it, and also we can search files. Like if I put in PPT, it will show the files which have PPT in the name because I've selected all metadata fields. Other search, if we put in library keyword, it will show all the results which have library word in them, like this PDF that we have ingested. We can view the PDF. We can download it. There is also an advanced search option. We can select the metadata. Then we can select must contain, must not contain. We can also enter a value. For example, we can select Dublin core metadata for title. And we can enter a value. Say we enter library. Then we click on show results. It does not provide any results because we have not updated the metadata files. We can do the same by going to our Preservica page and we can edit the metadata. We can add a metadata template. For example, I've added a DC, that is Dublin core metadata template. We can add title, creator, subject, other description, publisher, date, type, format. For example, the creator is Jatinder Kumar Samyal. So we'll add the creator. Subject we can put library science. For now we'll save this. Now we'll go back to a search portal, and in the metadata field, in the advanced search, we will again search for DC title library. Now we'll see what all we get. So now it shows us the search result because we've edited the metadata in DC metadata format. You can see the file. Here is the metadata that we've edited. This is a digital preservation platform. We can also migrate older file formats into newer formats for preservation. For example, I'll add a doc file, which is an updated Word file. This is a doc file, sample file that I've uploaded onto the Preservica. This file was a .doc file, and originally now it has been converted to OTT, and access representation is PDF. So we can view this file also, and this is also preserved. So just a sample file. Another great feature is that we can delete our files. They're not permanent. So for example, I've uploaded this file twice, so I can simply right-click on it and delete the asset. It will be sent to the recycle bin. This file has been removed and sent to recycle bin. We can also do changes like we can rename the asset, we can change the thumbnail, delete the asset, and change the archival structure. And also we can set the security tag from a private or public. The public portal of our Preservica page can be seen here. So the files that are set to public will only be seen on the public portal, not the private ones. So we can use it for individual use also. We can also make changes to the public portal, style my portal option on the portal tab. We can personalize it. We can add our logo, mobile logo, color palette, typography, about us, footer section, and privacy policy. From here we can upload the files, the banner image, and we can style our public portal, which is this one. We can go to the dashboard to have an overview of our Preservica page. We get 1 GB free data in the free plan. We can explore upgrade plans by payment options. We can see the formats in our repository, like PDFs, JPEGs, what all we have uploaded, recently added metadata information, recent recycled items. We can also view our public portal from here. To see the deleted files, we can go to the Explorer and we can go to the recycle bin. Here we can see all the files that we have deleted. We can empty the recycle bin and restore the files that may have been deleted by mistake. Items will also be deleted after 90 days if they're not deleted by the user. So this is the basic working of Preservica, how to make an account, logging in our account and creating our first folder, and uploading files of various formats and viewing them, editing the metadata and deleting them. And also we saw the public portal of our Preservica page. Thank you.